sentence you to custody of the Commission of Corrections for a period of 360 months, that is 30 years.
Minneapolis man will spend decades in prison for a brutal stabbing death on board a Metro Transit bus earlier this year. A jury found Derek Leak guilty of second-degree murder, and today the victim's family had their day in court. Leak has an extremely troubled past as a registered violent offender for prior convictions and will soon head, as you heard, back to prison.
But before he leaves the Hennepin County Jail, Leak has raised some concerns about inmate privacy violations. Our Paul Bloom joins us now in the newsroom. So, Paul, Leak has even filed a lawsuit against the county.
He sure did, Amy and Randy. Now, let's be frank here. He is not a sympathetic plaintiff, a convicted killer with an evil track record. He did file this lawsuit in his own handwriting without an attorney, but legal experts I spoke to who have read his lawsuit insist Derek Leak's allegations of jailhouse medical privacy violations warrant some attention here.
I am sorry I don't have the opportunity to do that day over again.
Derek Leak offered something of an apology for the deadly stabbing of Bobby Commodore on board this Metro Transit bus back in April. The Commodore family, though, having sat through Leak's second-degree murder trial, saw a cold-blooded, premeditated attack in the evidence.
I believe that the defendant recognized and sought to harm and even kill my brother.
In the coming days, Leak will be transported out of the Hennepin County Jail to serve his 30-year term in the state prison system. But in his wake, he's leaving behind this handwritten lawsuit the county will have to address. Leak claims he and other inmates have had their medical privacy rights, or what's known as HIPAA, violated in lockup in downtown Minneapolis. And he's asking for money, $25,000 in damages.
Folks who are sitting in the Hennepin County Jail, in the eyes of the law, should be treated as closely as possible to folks who are outside.
Leak claims on a couple of occasions, sheriff's staff announced on the in-house PA system something to the effect, quote, "My Suboxone friends, get to the front of the line," when medication was handed out. Suboxone is a powerful controlled substance. Addicts may be prescribed for withdrawal symptoms and to wean them from opioids. Leak writes not only did it out his potential medical condition, it also put a target on his back, as it would be a drug in high demand behind bars. Twin Cities trial attorney A.L. Brown, who's not involved in this matter at all, told me via Zoom Thursday even a convicted murderer like Leak appears to have a decent argument to make, at the very least to tighten up jail policies down the road.
He's still a person, he's still a United States citizen, and he's still a Minnesotan. And there is nothing in the law that excludes him from his rights to privacy.
And Attorney Brown there went on to explain the way Derek Leak framed this lawsuit will likely get it tossed out in short order, but again believes if the allegations here can be proven, they likely do add up to a violation of the state's Health Records Act. The Hennepin County Sheriff's Office will not comment on pending litigation. We're live in Newsroom Tonight. Paul Bloom, Fox 9.